up and the other didn't. And then, you know, the man
is the funeral today?
The man leaves the woman?
Yeah, he leaves her.
Leaves her?
So, what
even
about
though the woman was taking care of him?
Exactly. What about those?
Thank you.
That goes back to how the man was.
Oh, now you're smiling now. Chapping those lips.
No, but it's a good. No, but he's bringing a good point though. It really doesn't.
But that goes back to how the man was raised.
Yeah.
If he was raised in a single parent household,
I heard that.
and all he knows is multiple things, because a man's father,
I got a chance to.
like you got, a man is not complete, just like a woman is complete unless they have both parents. Make up a genuine man who takes care of his business and responsibilities.
Right.
You know? So it's hard for a man to be a man with only his mother. He can only be a man with only his father and his mother not there to nurture him. He'll use you. He'll fool you just to nurture him.
Right.
And he'll push you to the side and get something else.
Right.
It might be worse than you. You might be like, how can you go with this woman? She's ugly. She makes less money. But he might feel like she nurtures him more.
So you're not happy with a woman who says they're independent and that they can handle their own?
I love women that are independent. I just want a woman.
I think it's just a guarded situation for a lot of females. It's a guarded situation.
Let your man know you need him. Let your man know you need him. Even though you're independent, you make more money. We make the same amount, whatever. I need you. I still need you. You know, you're my backbone in this relationship. Yada yada yada. Let him know he's needed, and he'll stick by you forever.
That's just how the Bible has it.
That's real.
But you know what? There's another thing too. Like I guess it was just me, but another thing, a man to love you, if he realizes that even though you don't need him and you love him, he will love you even more because he knows you don't need him at all, but you still love that nigga to death.
Right.
Because you don't need him to survive, so that really puts a lot of shit into perspective. Damn, she really doesn't need me because she don't need me. She don't need me at all. She can be without me, but she chooses to deal with my bullshit.
Like, and then what about those situations where that is made known and those people still don't?
Exactly.
It always goes back to some people are not meant to be together. You can't help that shit.
That's true.
Some people are better friends.
It goes back to how the
man
was raised. Everything.
Lovers. Like you might be better friends, you might be best friends, but y'all might not be good as a couple.
It goes back to how Genesis. It goes back to even the Genesis of how your relationship began. Did it begin with sex and then a relationship, or did it begin with a relationship and you guys ended up enjoying sex?
Right.
Relationships that are built on sex. Know this for a woman.
We know that as a woman.
As a woman, relationships that are built on sex, you give it up to a nigga, his eyes are gonna wander, even if he's with you. His eyes are going to.